Friends, in this video we are going to see chapter number 8, Who is Heavier, class 3, Maths. Who is heavier? Let us see. Are you able to tell who is heavier and who is lighter? Jack, Mary. Who is heavier? Jack is heavier. Amira and Tom. Tom is heavier. An elephant is heavy. A mouse is light. A heavy, a light. What is heavy? What is light? Pumpkin is heavy. This is heavy. The bee is light. Which object is light? Feather or tree? Feather is light object. Paper or ball? Paper is light. Cycle or car? Cycle is light. Cup or balloon? Balloon is light. Which object is heavy? Here pumpkin is heavy. Here nail is heavy. Here this table is heavy. Dolphin fish is heavy. Circle the heavier object. Here the heavier object is chair. Just you put the circle. Circle the heavier object. The train is heavier. Circle the lighter object. This is lighter, JCP. Circle the lighter. Pillow is lighter. Circle the lighter object. Lighter or heavier? Which one is lighter? This pencil is lighter. Which one is heavier? Book is heavier. The pencil is lighter than the book. The book is heavier than the pencil. Measurement of weight. In this lesson, the learning outcome, the children will be able to understand how to measure the various light or heavy things using various measuring tools and units of weight in grams and kilograms. Convert the given quantities of weight from grams to kilogram and kilogram to grams, vice versa. Which is more heavier, an apple or two apples? Two apples are more heavier. Which is more heavier, the apple or the orange? The apple is heavier. What did you observe in this picture? The plate where the apple is kept is going down. It is going down because apple is heavy. It also reflects that orange is lighter than the apple. To measure weight we use weighing scale or beam balance. This is actually beam balance. The picture of beam balance. Weights are used for measurement. Weights used for measurement are of different quantities such as 50 gram, 100 gram, 500 gram, 1000 gram, 5000 gram, etc. Weighing machine is used to measure weight of human body. Our weight we can find using this machine. Spring weighing machine scale is used to measure weight of heavy things like gas cylinder, etc. Things to remember in this chapter: grams and kilograms. Note, there are more units of measurement of weight, but in class 3 you will learn only about these units. Gram is written as GM and kilogram is written as kg. Small or light things or objects are measured in grams only. Big or heavy things are measured in kilograms. 1 kilogram has 1000 grams. 2 kilogram will have 2000 grams. 3 kilogram will have 3000 grams. 5 kilogram will have 5000 grams. 9 kilogram will have 9000 grams. Children, did you observe something in above sums? 1 kilogram has 1000 grams. Then 3 kilogram has 3000 grams. 4 kilogram has 4000 grams. By multiplying the given kilogram with 1000, we can convert kilogram into grams. Similarly, when we have to convert grams to kilogram, we divide the given quantity by 1000. Let us see how do we do it. Convert 2000 gram into kilogram. So divide 2000 by 1000. So when you divide, you will get 2 kilogram. Now convert the following into kilogram. 3000 grams, 3 kilogram. 6000 gram, 6 kilogram. 8000 grams, 8 kilograms. 10,000 grams, 10 kilograms. Add these quantities. 2 kilogram, 400 gram, and 3 kilogram, 400 gram. So you can write kilogram and grams. Write like this. Write 2 kilogram. Here you write 400 gram. Here you write 3 kilogram. Here you write 400 grams. Now we can add 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 4 plus 4, 8, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 kilogram and 800 gram. The total 5 kilogram and 800 gram. Like that you can add the remaining sums. That is for practice. Convert into grams. 3 kilogram, just to multiply by 1000, you will get 3000 grams. 7 kilogram, 7000 grams. Multiply by 1000. 2 kilogram, 2000 grams. 10 kilogram, 10,000 grams. Like that you can multiply and get the answer. Convert into kilogram. You have to divide. Divide by 1000. So 8000 grams divided by 1000, you will get 8 kilogram. 11,000 gram divided by 1000. Here 30, here 30 you cut, so 11 is left out. 11 kilogram. 17,000 gram. 17,000 divided by 1000. Cut the 3 zeros. Here also 3 zeros cut. What is left out? 17 by 1 is 17 kilogram. 4,000 gram. Convert into kilogram. 4,000 divided by 1000. 3 zeros. Here also 3 zeros. So 4 by 1 is 4. Like that you can do easily. Who is heavier? From textbook you can see the sums. Sapnam loved to eat jaggery and groundnuts. One day she bought 1 kilogram of jaggery and 1 kilogram of groundnuts. You know that kilogram is also written as kg short form. So groundnut, here you can find the picture of jaggery. Are the groundnuts really more than the jaggery in weight? Do they just look more? Now guess for which of these you need a bigger bag. For example, 1 kilogram of popcorn or 1 kilogram of sugar. So 1 kilogram of popcorn need very bigger bag. 1 kilogram beans or 1 kilogram of potato. 1 kilogram of potatoes need a very big size bag. Go to the market and check if your guess is right. Are the groundnuts really more than the jaggery in weight, or do they just look more? No, the groundnuts do not weigh more than jaggery. Both of them are equal in weight only. Both are 1 kilogram. They look only more in number of compared to jaggery. We need a bigger bag for 1 kilogram of popcorn. We need a bigger bag for 1 kilogram of bees. Pumpkin and tomato. This is the playground where tomato come to play every day. They love playing in the seesaw. One day, a big pumpkin comes and sit on the side of the seesaw. When he does not get up for a long time, the tomato decides to sit on the other side and lift the pumpkin up so that he falls off. The little tomatoes start climbing on the other side, 1, 2, 3, like that. The pumpkin is still sitting and laughing, so the big tomato decided to help the little ones get down. Now you see, and make way for the fat ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. All the tomatoes started sitting in the other side, the pumpkin, till the pumpkin was down in the seesaw. The pumpkin is up in the air. It shouts, bring me down, please. Now, how many small tomatoes do you think could lift the pumpkin? 40. 40 small pumpkins will lift. How many big mangoes can balance the pumpkin? 20 big mangoes can balance the pumpkin. How many pumpkins can balance you on the seesaw? Or 6 pumpkins can balance me on the seesaw. This is seesaw. Name some of your classmates who you think weight almost the same as you. You can name of the classmates here. More than you, more than your weight, less than your weight. You write the name of the classmates. How many books can you lift on one hand, keeping your arm straight? I can lift only one book with my hand, keeping my arm straight. Double her weight. Kunjuma's parents have a different way of celebrating Independence Day because Kunjuma was born on that day. They buy sweets double of Kunjuma's weight and distribute them among poor people. When Kunjuma was born, she was 3 kg only. Today is Independence Day. Kunjuma is 5 years old. She is 28 kg. Now guess her weight and the amount of sweet her parents distribute every Independence Day. Beginning at birth, when she was 3 kg, 3 plus 3, 6 kg of sweet parents purchased and distribute to the poor people. 1 year old her weight was 9 kg. So 9 plus 9, 18 kg of sweets they purchased and distributed. When she was 2 years, 13 kg. So 13 plus 13, 26 kg of sweet. 3 years old, 17 kg. That is 34 kg. 4 years old, 20 kg. So 20 plus 20, 40 kg of sweets they purchased. When she was 5 years old, 28 kg. So 28 plus 28, they purchased 56 kg of sweets and distributed to the poor people. Kunjuma's age, Kunjuma's weight, amount of sweets. At birth, 3 kg, so 6 kg. 1 year old, 9 kg. So 9 plus 9, 18 kg. Like that. 2 years, 13 plus 13. 3 years, you can write 17 kg plus 17 kg. So 34 kg. When she was 4 years, 20 kg. 20 plus 20, 40. 5 years old, 28. 28 plus 28, 56 kg of sweets. Sugoto heard about a new dish on the radio. He wants to try making it. When he notes down how to make it, he gets confused. This is what he notes down. Pour 2 spoons of water in the pot. Boil the water and 1 pinch of dal, half kg red chili powder, 1 bowl salt. Now put a spoon of rice and 2 bees, 8 glasses of mustard seeds. Finally add 1 kilogram of onion. So this, see here the news from the radio. But actually it should be in this order. 1 kilogram of rice, half kg of dal, 1 bowl of beans, 8 glasses of water, 2 onions and 1 spoon salt, 2 spoon mustard seeds and 1 pinch of red chili powder. Mix everything and boil for 15 minutes. But Sugata feels there is something very wrong in the amounts of everything. So 1 kilogram of rice she has selected, half kg of dal, then 1 bowl. This is the measurement she has taken. Activity. Make a list of things bought at your home. Find out how much of each thing is bought at one time. These things can be rice, oil, chili powder, sugar, milk, onion and ginger. Guess their weights. Match. 10 kilogram the suitcase, 80 kilogram the sack, 2 kilogram the dog, 1000 kilogram an elephant, 400 kilogram cow. Like that you can match it. Guess which of the following things weigh more than 1 kilogram. Your school bag, it is more than 1 kilogram only. Geometry box, it is less than 1 kilogram. Brick, more than 1 kilogram. A big pumpkin, more than 1 kilogram. Your pair of slippers or shoes, less than 1 kilogram. Less than 1 kilogram. Use your balance to find which of the following is heavier, a water bottle or a cricket ball. Your shoe or pencil. Shoe. Your maths book or Hindi book. Maths book. Your bag or your friends. Mine. Yours. Our shoe is heavier than our pencil box. Each bag of mud is your half kg of weight. Use it to weigh more some other things around you. Make a list of things weighing less than half kilogram. The weight which is less than half kilogram things. Now if you equally divide 1 kilogram of mud or sand into 2 bags like this, 1, 2, the weight of both the bags will be equal. Now with each half kilogram of weight you can weight fruits, vegetables or even textbook on a balance. Things weight less than half kilogram are a geometry box, pair of sandals, your uniform and lunch box. Things weighing more than half kilogram of school bag, own weight and bed. Look for weights and balance. Make a trip to your nearest junk dealer, vegetable shop and grocery shop. Have a look at the weights they use? Yes. Who uses the biggest weight? Who uses the smallest weight? Have you seen any of these balances? Now you can see. In which shop would you find the following types of weights? Discuss with your friends. 500 grams, 2 kilogram, 10 kilogram. Heavy object does not mean only big in size. Big in size object can be lighter than an object small in size also. For example, a big size teddy bear made up of with cotton and a metallic small toy car. Learning activity. Students will observe different objects around them and compare what is heavy and what is light. Make flashcards with the image of the objects you classified heavy or light. Now, which is heavier, feather or mango? Let me check it. Oh, sorry, you are wrong. Now let us see which is lighter. Yes, Cecil. Which is heavier, elephant or rat? Yes, correct. Which is lighter? Crayon. Thank you, children.